So hi everyone, welcome to the course, and today what we are going to do is we'll create one small project which will be a color changing of the container with the help of JavaScript. So how we can do that? Let's jump into it. So just to save our time, I have already created one div with the button where I have given a ID called color box to the container, and to this div I have given some color, and I have already added some styling. Okay, if you want to refer to the style, you can. So what I am going to do is I'll write it over here only. First of all, I want to select this div. Okay, so to select this div by ID, what we will do is let color box equals to document dot get element by ID. Okay, in this ID just put the ID name, which is the color box. You can even copy it and paste it over here. Right, now let's select this button. So let change button color equals to document dot get element by ID, where in ID you have to put change color button. Okay, so it should be the exact name as you have taken on the button. So now let's come down, and I want colors, different colors. So you know that we need to have some color also. Okay, so for that let's have a loop. Okay, so let's have a loop which will start from let I equals to 0 and I will go till 6, because we have hex code in terms of 6 digits, a combination of digits and a character. So we are going to do that only. Okay, so it will consider 6 elements. So in this loop I am going to have let letters, because I want letters. So this letter is going to be string starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and A, B, C, D, E and F. So every color is going to be a combination of these things. So next thing what you will do is let color is equals to hash. Why hash? Because if you know that I cannot display a color until and unless the hash is not there in front of it, like C. Okay, so now the next thing what I want to do is I have to do is let, or just do this color equals to color plus, or you can even add over here so that it will add into the letters. So put your letters over here, and in this what do you want? You want your maths. So maths dot random is a method which will help you to have a random numbers between 0 to 1. Okay, so now I want hexadecimal, so it will be multiplied by 16 so that I can generate that numbers. So I want the integer one. I don't want, because from 0 to 1 range it is going to be 0.12, 0.13 and up to so on. So I want to use maths dot floor so that it will be converted into integer. Okay, and after that I want to return this color. Done. Now this is done, and all this I want to write it inside the function. So write the function and get random color. Okay, as we want random colors, and now paste the rest of the code, format the document. So now that we have created this particular random function, what we need to do is we need to change the color of the box. For that thing we need to select our box, this button first, because I want to add some event listeners. And before moving that, let's see over here, there is a mistake. Remove your double columns from here, and now select your change color button, because I want to add event listener so that I can perform some operation to it. I have added a click event listener so that whenever I will click on it, something will happen. So add your arrow function over here, and in here I want to change the color of the box. So change it and put a background color equals to, call the method which we have already created, that means the function we have created. So that now how this is working, we have selected the div which is our container, and after that we have selected our button. So that we are selecting it by getting element by ID. There is the way to select an ID, right? We have already covered that. So I want some random colors to come up whenever user clicks on it. So for that I have taken a letter, where in the letter I know that the colors can be of 6 combination of digits and number. That means if I have 0, 1, A, 2, C, right? So this is going to be one color. Similarly, I want a randomly number to be generated. So for that, I know that every color will have hash followed previously, okay? So for that, I want to add a loop, and for loop will start from 0, it will go till 6 because there are 6 elements. So match.random to generate n random elements, and match.float to convert that into the integer, okay? So after that I'm selecting, adding event listener to the button and changing the color accordingly. Now refresh it once. Now click on it. See, the different colors will be changing, okay? Now it will randomly go on and on till you will click on it. So I hope you have understood this project, and do not forget to cover your all the assignments and some projects which are there on it with the solutions. Do try. Thank you so much everyone.